Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a pop-up calendar in Google Sheets. So you need to stop typing out date manually if you want to add a pop-up calendar like this because you're tired of the date error or just want your spreadsheet to look incredibly professional. You need the double click calendar. This is the double click calendar, and I'm going to show you how you can create it. So I'm going to create in this column. So first you can just highlight the cells or columns that you want the dates to go like this, and after that you can just go to insert and click on data and choose the data validations. Click on add rule, and in here under the criteria you just need to select is valid date, and after that you can just hit on done, and in here you can just go to the format and choose the date format that you want. I'm going to just go with the custom date and time. Let's say I'm going to go with this one. Hit on apply, and when you double click on the cells, the calendar will be pop up. So that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.